What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a more like laid back, different kind of video. Not makeup, not a vlog, but I'm going to show you how I organize my closet. So if you're interested to see how I organize my two closets, then just keep watching. Don't forget to press the cute little pink subscribe button down there. Alright, let's get on with the video. You have to be comfy because it's just a laid back video. So you have to be comfy. So my little outfit of the day is my Nurses Everyday Heroes and some Victoria's Secret sweatpants. So let's get started. So in my closet, I have a lot of stuff. I do. Let's be real. Okay, let's just start with the top because it's a little less organized up here. But I have these 4 buckets. They all have my purses in them. The big buckets have my big purses, and then this little one has all like my clutches and wallets and stuff. And then this is my kind of, I guess, messy area. But I have all of my hoodies and then just kind of like all of my boxes of stuff, like my camera box, my Apple Watch, my phone, my boxes. So, okay. So when you first walk in, you'll see I kind of decorated with my homecoming mom, which I know I graduated 6 years ago, but my boyfriend and I are still together, so I kept it. But, okay, organizing my closet. So I have a lot of shirts, but the way I try and organize my stuff is by colors. So I do that like Roy G. Biv, the red, orange, yellow, blue, green, indigo, violet. I think Roy G. Biv. And I kind of stick with that. So I start with my lighter colors, my whites, and then I do put some black in there. And then I go on with like the colors. I do it only for shirts. So you'll start to see that you get more pinks over here. That's where my tank tops start. So I have, it's actually pretty organized, I think. It kind of looks messy just because I have so much. But I do stick to the color scheme, my purples, and then this is where you see my tank tops that start, and then it goes on, and then I have my black and white. So it kind of starts with white, ends with white, you know. And then my shorts, I have my white shorts, and then I have my denim light to dark, and then black, and then just kind of my like other like floral prints, or this one's actually lacy. You can't even, oh, there you go. My lacy blue. Then I have all my yoga pants, leggings, and then I have like fun leggings. And then I go on to my slacks right here, and I do have them organized by colors. So from lightest to darkest slacks. And then my jeans from white to dark. So I start with my white, my light denims, and then my dark jeans, which would be over here. And then some of my scrubs. So for shoes, my dad made me this little shoe rack when I was younger. So I have all my flip-flops and then just like a couple slippers in there. And then on the top is where I have all my tennis shoes. So they're double stacked right now because I have a lot of tennies. But you can never have enough. I want some more. And then I have a little hidden white pair up there. So I have the bottom row of tennies and then the top row. And then all my sandals. And then over here is another little small shoe rack that I have, and I just have like my other type of shoes, like my Sperry's, you know, other types that aren't sandals or tennies, those type of shoes over here. Okay, I had to take some of my scrubs out, but this is my kind of like heels and wedges rack. I have my like booties up there, and then I have my wedges, and then I have my heels. And then at the very bottom of the rack, I have all of my like long tall boots, and then my Steve Madden combat boots, and then because I live in Texas, I have my cowboy boots, rain boots, and some other like riding boots. So that is, oh, and then my Uggs are up here. So that is closet number 1 with my little jewelry box. To closet number 2. So the first closet had all of my like short sleeve shorts, kind of like summer wear. This is my like dresses and skirts and my like summer wear. So my long sleeves, my jackets, stuff like that. And I also have some of my bags down here and 2 little storage containers for like extra paperwork and stuff like that. So I keep the same concept in this closet also, where I have my Roy Jabiv kind of like color scheme where you go from lightest to darkest. So it starts over here, which way back here I have like some like dresses and stuff, and then my scarves. And then right here is where I have my like long maxi dresses and my other dresses. And I start with my black, white, and then I go to the like red, orange, blue, dark kind of scheme. And then in the middle right here, I have my kind of like sweatsuits, I guess you would say, like the, you know what I'm talking about, like the sweatpants jacket. And then I have my denim jacket, which separates that from my long sleeve shirts. And so I keep them from red, go lightest to darkest. And then I have my jackets, my suit jackets. Over here I have like my cardigans and my vests and kind of stuff to keep warm. And then at the very top I have like some keepsake stuff and like sewing stuff. But that is a closet number 2 of how I keep organized. I also forgot to mention this dresser. For any of my t-shirts, like I have all my t-shirts down in this drawer over here. All my t-shirts, I like to have them folded so that way I can see which ones they are. And then in this drawer I have like bathing suits and other like Nike shorts. Top drawer is bras and sports bras. This one over here, it does open up, which is really nice. I like how it opens up and then has these 3 drawers. I keep all my socks down here, my pajamas for winter in this one, and then pajamas for like summer in that top one. So that completes this video. So I hope that video was helpful. I like to see room tours and kind of like organizational stuff. So I figured I would show you how I organize my closets with my color scheme of the light to dark. I like to keep everything really organized and everything in its place so that I know where to find stuff. And all my purses, I got the little boxes at Target, the ones that are at the top that hold my purses and stuff. I put the little label that says purses on the inside, and then the frames for the stuff that I have, my gymnastic stuff that I have framed, those frames I got from Hobby Lobby, those shadow boxes. And the shoe rack, the white one, my dad made me. And then the brown one I got from Walmart. And then the long metal rack I got from Walmart. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment box. I will love to help organize any stuff if you have any questions. But I hope this video was super helpful. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. On and the glitter is dry. I'm going to zoom you in just so you can see the finished look.